What's up, guys? It's your boy Ty, and tonight I have another review from my friends at FIFINE. FIFINE has awesome audio equipment, especially if you're looking to start gaming, do a podcast. FIFINE has affordable quality equipment, and this should fall right along those lines. This is FIFINE's low profile boom arm. This is the FIFINE BM88, and we're gonna see what it looks like when we put it together, and the different angles you can use with this boom arm. Let's get right into it. In the box, the first thing you'll get, as always, is the user manual. FIFINE BM88. Then you have parts in this box. We're gonna get into that and see what's in that. And you have the boom arm itself. Okay, you guys can see the arm itself comes like this. Go up, down, this way. Pretty simple. And it's nice to note that they have tracks on the inside of these. Where you can run your XLR cables right through. Inside this box should be your clamp. You should be able to use this to clamp it to your desk, table, whatever you're going to be setting your arm on. Again, pretty simple. You have this desk clamp. Pretty solid desk clamp, pretty heavy. And you have this piece that will connect to the boom arm. Pretty simple. So you have the desk clamp, this piece, and the arm itself. 3 pieces. So it should be fairly easy for anyone to set this up. Now I'm gonna set this arm up on this table right here I have beside me, so you guys can see how it looks. First, of course, I'm gonna set the clamp on the table. Next, before I put this into my clamp, I want to hook up this small piece here and choose a microphone too. First, let's put this on the arm. Again, this is pretty simple. You just loosen this up and put it here. And now I do like the fact that it added this thread. A lot of times microphones need that thread. A lot of times I'll be looking for that thread and taking them from different microphones. So that is pretty nice. Also in this bag is an Allen wrench, and you will need this Allen wrench to loosen and tighten up the joints. Once you have the microphone where you want it to be, of course you should tighten it up. All right, so now we're gonna put this in our clamp. Now that we have our boom arm in our clamp, I want to show you guys how versatile this is. Of course, you can put this behind your desk, on the side of your computer, or wherever you're gaming at, however you want to set it up. This thing is pretty versatile. You can bring it inward like that. You can take it straight up. Whatever you need the microphone arm to do, but it is pretty convenient. I do like this low profile though. Of course, that's the reason you would buy a low profile boom arm, right? So you can stay low profile. Typically, if you have one that's up higher, it has to go up, then come back down. This one can already be down close to the table, and that will kind of eliminate some of the clutter too with your cable management. It's just a little easier. And yeah, that's the boom arm. So of course we got to put a microphone on it, right? Since this is the FIFINE B88 and it is for podcasting and gaming, I think it's only right to pull out one of FIFINE's podcasting microphones. let's hook it up and see how it looks. This beauty is the FIFINE Tank 3, and this is FIFINE's podcasting microphone. It's its latest podcasting microphone, so of course we're gonna hook this thing up and see how it sounds and see how it works with this low profile boom arm. So this threading is again important. I don't need it right now because I already have one of those threads on this microphone, but again, these are clutch. Make sure you save these because every microphone really needs it. We're gonna slide this bad boy onto here. Oh man. So you guys can see I'm putting it up, but I want to put this cord inside the track. So to open it, the tracks have arrows on it. You have to slide them the opposite direction of the arrows to allow you to open the track. And that was pretty easy. And sliding it on was pretty easy too. So the audio you're hearing now is coming from the FIFINE Tank 3, and this microphone goes well with this boom arm, this low profile boom arm. This is a podcasting microphone from FIFINE, and again, FIFINE makes awesome quality, affordable quality equipment, and this boom arm is another one of those things. It's sleek, it is easy to put together, and it can help minimize on your cable management. You know, you can kind of get those cables under control with this track, you know, because it's a boom arm and a track. So I definitely would stamp this one. So if you're looking for an affordable, low profile boom arm, make sure you check out the FIFINE BM88. I appreciate you guys checking me out. Peace.